एवं लास्ट हूँ स्वशिक्षण निजे निजे पिला शिखब स्वशिक्षण अर्थ हूँ डिक्शनरी व्यवहार आपण पिला निजे डिक्शनरी व्यवहार कर दरकार जदि गोटे पाराग्राफ सी पढ़ुची पढ़ला बेले सी गोटे शब्द बुझी पारानी सी कह जे अपा आसिले बुझेदेवे कहीं अपा कौन सब जानते ना ठिका नहीं बुझे बोली से सीधा जीव डिक्शनरी खोल बाहर करके लिख अर्थ हूँ बर्तमान मु पढ़ुची पढ़ला बेले गोटे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड आसुची मु कौन डिक्शनरी क्या पचारुची मु गूगल रे मार दूँ अर्थ कौन दैट इज डिक्शनरी एटा हूँ स्वशिक्षण दक्षता पिलार जिते स्वशिक्षण दक्षता बढ़ो से अधिक हम एवं आ व्यतीत भाषार आउ गोटे सब बड़ आस्पेक्ट हूँ लक्ष्य हूँ क्रिएटिविटी सृजनशीलतार विकास जोटा भाषा माध्यम सर्वाधिक हो पार काली मुझे जो टास्कटा देती सेटा बेसिकाली सृजनशीलतार विकास आपड़ केते क्रिएटिवली समस्त गप अलग अलग हो बट मु रिक्वेस्ट करी जड़े कुनी अपा को अपा सी गोटे गप लिखी से आगे शुणे आउ जन पाखु शुणी दी जन
So, good evening everyone. My name is Viswasi Priyadarshini Nayak. I study in class 8. I belong from Cuttack district. So, today I am here to deliver a story to you from the 5 words. Those are the bottle, rope, torch, blanket and a matchstick. So this is the word that I am going to tell a story. So the name of the story is Challenger Boy. Once upon a time there was a boy named Rahul. He was very fond of taking challenges for himself. One day a fantastic challenge suddenly came in his mind. The challenge was he will survive in a forest for one night using only 5 things. That night he went to the forest and thought that he will make a tent and will live inside it. He took out his blanket and rope from his backpack and started making a tent. He tightly wrapped the rope in the trees in a triangular shape and scattered the blanket over the structure. His tent was ready, but it was a very cold night and he started feeling cold. He saw some pieces of wood near his tent and took out a matchstick box from his backpack. He arranged a piece of wood and lighted the matchstick, created a fire that would give warmth to him and protection from wide angles. Suddenly, he heard a weird sound that is coming behind the tent he made. He became scared as to what will happen to him because he was alone in the forest. No one is there to help him. That time the situation was do or die. He almost lost his hope to survive in the forest. The sound was becoming higher and higher. He remembered that he had a torch in his backpack. He immediately took out his torch and went to see what was it. And guess what? It is an elephant who was eating sugarcane. That was making the sound. Rahul returned to his tent and sat next to the fire. He felt thirsty, so he drank some water from his bottle. He was feeling tired and sleepy. After some time, he slept and woke up in the morning. He was feeling refreshed and calm. He was very happy that he completed his challenge to survive in a forest for one night using only 5 things. Thank you. The story is completed.
All the 5 words are there.
Yeah.
This is creativity. Creativity is the highest form of thinking, highest form of cognitive development. बौद्धिक विकास सबुठ हाईएस्ट फॉर्म है क्रिएटिविटी.